Once upon a time, there was a racist puppet called Jasper, and he was walking along the street.
Yo, what's up, motherfucker? It's a yellow skin.
Sucking dick.
Man, you got yellow skin. You ain't even
Ah,
a
you
punk,
what?
baby.
What you got your angry eyes on for?
Tiny
Bitch,
dick,
sucking
tiny
dick.
dick, baby.
I wanna fuck you.
He wants
Yo,
to
nigga, fuck
fucking
up.
Guys!
Yo, nigga.
What did I just say about no sexual
Hey, man, you
innuendo?
shut your mouth, nigga. You made me go red eyes. Yeah, I'm gonna suck you. I'm gonna fuck you, nigga. You can't beat me.
Yo, nigga, put your red eyes away.
You can't beat me.
I'm
My
gonna
neck is
suck in
long.
your dick with my little green hair. What you gonna
Oh
do?
my god! My neck is bigger than your whole body, bitch. Oh god, I'm glowing. My eyes flicking. My eyes are flicking.
Put your flicking eyes away, nigga. I'll hit you with my orange nose.
Hit me with your orange nose. Oh, he got me out to the.
Now you fucked up his eyes.
Oh, now his eyes got flick.
Come on, back.
Oh, nigga.
He's got a bottom.
Guys, I said shut up with the fucking sexual innuendo.
Oh my god, he's getting angry.
Come on, alright, we're just gonna put the puppies away. Right there.
Deal be the donkey. Deal be the donkey. Come over here, give me a kiss.
What did I just say, Dylan?
What's he got your hand
Kiss
up
my
his ass
ass.
for? What's he got your hand up his ass for, nigga?
We are
Put that
You're deleting that.
Put that away.
We are hot puppets.
What you gonna do? I got my
You're
hand-
deleting that because if it gets on YouTube, it's ruining my career.
It's gonna ruin your career,
Yo,
motherfucker. You wanna go?
nigga. Yo, I'm just gonna go and put myself away.
Chad.
I'm sorry. Alright?
What a rat.
Hey, yeah, it was good. It was good. You can turn it off.